Hello, so you just installed HypeCut OBS and it's getting the error of OBS disconnected. We're going to show you how to get up and running very quickly. So first you go into settings. We need an API key token first off. So you go over to hypecut.tv/settings, you go click here, then you go to integration and you'll go to Stream Deck integration. This says Stream Deck, but it's basically just the entire functionality of it. We'll be updating the name of it certainly. By the time you see this, it may have already changed to just API key. So if you haven't, create one and then regenerate one. If it's been lost, hit copy and paste it in right there. Now, next we need to connect HypeCut to OBS itself. So in OBS, you go to Tools, WebSocket Server Settings. If it looks like this, if you haven't used it, enable the WebSocket server itself, hit apply so that it starts up and running. And then what we'll do to get to go to the address, you do ws:// and then we will go and we will get the show connect information and we will go to the server IP, paste it in, :4455, and then go to the server password itself, put it in there. And then once you do that, you save the settings and if it connects, you should see it pop up right there. You can reconnect so that and validate itself that it works correctly. Perfect, it is now connected. Now, this is we're gonna go over some of the gotchas of why it was not connected or why your clips are not showing up. The first one is that when you have HypeCut, you need to make sure the replay buffer start is turned on. You can either hit start replay buffer on your OBS itself, but we've also added a thing where automatically it will start as soon as you do something. So if we do that, it immediately starts and now it's recording for us. It's up to you which one you want to do, but if the replay buffer is not enabled, you will not get any clips. So make sure that is enabled before doing anything else. Secondly, under settings, we have a thing that says the clip save directory. This is where the clips are saved before HypeCut basically takes it and does all the magic behind the scenes. If you want the 30-second clips by themselves, unedited, make sure you turn off auto delete clips after upload, because what will happen is HypeCut will take it and then immediately delete it off of the address of whatever working address that you created as, just so that it keeps saves up disk space. Excuse me. If you want to keep it, just uncheck it and hit save settings. So that is it. If you want any longer clip lengths, they are on different tiers, but the other gotcha is that the clip length, you need to make sure that it matches. So for OBS, it says 30 seconds. You need to go to settings, go to output, and then scroll all the way down to replay buffer. See, this says 90 seconds. That will not work. So we need to drop it down to 30 seconds and hit apply. And then hit OK. So now these two match, that it will get the correct amount of time between the two clips. And if you do it longer, it just will take 30 seconds of whenever you snapped it back 30 seconds. So up to you if you want to be able to have that 90 seconds and save it. Totally up to you. Past that, everything should work as intended. If you have any questions, feel free to join the Discord where we have you can open tickets, you can talk to other users using HypeCut and everything between, or just talk if you have some troubleshooting. I can jump in a call with you and we can work out why something's not working, or feature request, anything under the sun. With that being said, good luck and have fun using HypeCut.